Hello, welcome to my Son de France. Today I just got back from the store and I am just now winding down. Um, I posted some TikToks, but so I got this in the mail. I think I'm gonna get some more stuff I ordered today because I ordered that radio didn't come. I know you TikTokers, that radio didn't come. So I got a cuter one. It's a cheapo, but it's cuter and it matches my desk. It's red for Reds. And so they won Rangers yesterday. So I haven't checked what's up with today's game. I think today's another game with the Rangers. So anyways, but yeah, I ordered another one. That way it won't be like another week, and we can mess with the radio or whatever you wanted. I don't really know all that TikTok stuff. I'm new. So let's open the mail. Oh, and then I was wondering, like, they're talking about, like, I forget what you call it. Like, I don't know. They just don't want you to use whole songs or something. Okay, so I ordered this. It's all busted. These were supposed to be my curry noodles. Do y'all eat them like this? Because we get them all the time at the store. When we order them, when we go to the store and buy them, they're always all quebrada. They're never whole. The only place you can probably buy them whole would be at like a grocery, not like one of those import shops. But I don't know. I don't know if they were already like that. I never really seen them whole. I'm being honest. I mean, you can get whole noodle at the grocery because they'll just send it back if they're not whole. But imports kind of like people buy them anyway. Like we buy them anyway. But yeah, I got this, and I'm gonna eat it with my. This is Gatorade. Now this was like under $1, right? And this was under $7. It was $6 something for an 8-pack. Now this is zero sugar Gatorade. Just so we all are clear on that, because I am still watching my diet. Although I went to Walgreens and I got another haul. So here's the other haul. I bought another little basket for my stuff. For example, like I have this. These are makeup remover towelettes, and I figure like I always do my makeup at the desk, and my makeup and my food always get on the table, on the counter, on the tabletop. So I was like, what should I buy? Like Lysol or like, you know what I mean? Those wipes like that you wipe your hands with. And I was like, I'll just buy these because I need them anyway, and they help keep everything clean. These are not flushable wipes, but they're Walgreens wipes, makeup remover towelettes. They have aloe, chamomile, calendula, and vitamin E. Aloe helps heal skin. Chamomile helps the inflammation and redness. And calendula actually tones the skin and keeps it nice and healthy. Vitamin E keeps the skin supple. And yeah, calendula keeps the skin a little bit firm. So all 4 of those are really good things to find in skincare altogether. So, win-win. These were like $1.25 or something, and this basket also was like the same price. And then I bought this for like $1.79. It's a Russell Stover pecan delight, This was $1.79. This was like around the same price. This is a hot pickle, spicy pickle. You know, it's just a pickle in a pouch. It says pickle in a pouch. And so I got it on cheap, and I also got this for like under $1. They were on sale at Walgreens. So yeah, that was my Walgreens haul. I spent $7 and some change, and yeah, I saved up quite a bit of money. Really good deals, and I just wanted to show you guys that. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, on the next video. I hope you like my haul, and thank you again for watching my son different. Bye bye.